Take 8. I'm not giving up today. I've been interrupted. It doesn't matter, 1,000 things going on. We are putting seatbelts on a 1971 c-10 in Spanish gold. Well, I put in the driver's seatbelt quite a while ago. I wanted to check it out before I ordered 2 of them. They're kind of pricey. I mean, not terrible, like $100. So I got my second one in and been lazy. I haven't put it in the truck. But today my grandson wants to go for a ride and gotta have a seatbelt. So today is going to be a little bit of a safety video because, well, seatbelt. So what? Being to this take 8, some things are already done, but you didn't miss anything. There's a bracket right back here. Bolt came with the original seatbelts. You use the same bolt and the same bracket with these new shiny gold parts. And then this is the controller part, whatever you want to call it, retractor. Yeah, that's it. And I've basically just been farting around, figuring out, I don't know what to do, figuring out what way I want to put it so it looks, yeah, I want it to look good. I think it would roll better that way too, but guess what? Directions did not say much of anything. So that's just life. We have to figure out what's best for alignment. What I mean by that is when the passenger pulls this out, you want all the fabric to go nicely, not be all twisted up around the neck. So behind it looks pretty good, but we weren't going to put it that way. We're going to put it this way. So now we try it. And you just play with it. I mean, it's not super complicated. It's just a matter of trial and error. So we're at the point now where we put a long bolt in. They gave me washers, and it said to do them in this order. So I'm doing it just like I said. Bolt from the front looks better, but will fight me. It'll make me work harder, but I don't care. Now, will that hold it? That's all they want you to put on there? I guess. It ain't going to break nothing. It's the bolts I gave you. They gave you this little sleeve, the spacer, goes on there because this fits inside of this hole and allows, when you get it tight, you can still rotate this. Follow me? So we got those two right. Now we just got to put it into that. Like they give you a 90-degree bracket to put on the floor. Seriously, if you've ever done any kind of puzzle at all in your life, you can figure this out. And then on the back side, they want a washer. I think analog washer, of course, both. So we'll do it. That's what they say to do. So I know my head's in the way. What's funny is I can't see anyway, so why do I want to put my head there? I'm doing it blind anyway. What I mean by that, you can't see anything. Ooh, that's not going to work. I tried to do it where you could see better, but then I'm going to lose my washer. Oh, it stayed on. Now, thread that in there. This would be way easier if you weren't as picky as me and you just put the nut on the outside rather than the bolt. And as nobody's ever going to say anything. Nobody's going to notice it. Better than all that, nobody's going to care. All right, so out here in the great outdoors today, it's like 70 degrees, 75. Not too bad. I'm trying to find the right wrench. Well, that ain't it. Oh, that was for that one. So, again, this isn't really complicated. It's just a lot of, they do the different size nut and bolt, so you'll get used to all that. I don't remember what size. I looked, but I don't care. All right, that fits on there, so I'll use it. Extension, ratchet, and that one goes in the front. Oh, I probably don't have that wrench because I said I had them all. Yep. Why would I? I guess we can tighten that up later. Yep, I said I did. I said later. So you don't need to watch me tighten the bolt. This is how it looks when you're not driving the truck. It just tucks right in. It tucks right in behind the seat when you pull it off. You take it out, and it should line up if I got it right around you nicely. That looks good. The shoulder looks good. The top is super simple. I'll take your own. That's where my video quit 3 times ago. Probably got a sound issue too because it gargles every video and I don't know why. So if the video stops, I'm done. Not doing anymore. This is what you get. you got a pretty good idea how it works. Basically, use all the old brackets. Can you see up in there? I think you can. I can't. Probably see up my nose. So you use all the original bracketry. I don't know, bolt holes, mounting locations of the original seat belts because they put lap belts in these. Now, here's the issue. All I did